Wait, for me. Here, watch. Hey, everybody.
Hey, can I let you on now?
Shush! We're getting ready to record Robbie's getting ready to dive over the cliff. Before we move, we were drinking Daddy Daddy all night. We were drinking like that. Get her Robbie. Wait. We got his champ here, Alice. That's Alice. Or Crescent Drive. We've been chugging Daddy Light since 1995. Here's Robbie.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold the beer. Can't lose that.
Well, come on, get her done, Robbie. Wait, let's take a look at this cliff he's ready to dive over. He's a crazy son of a bitch. Why would he do something like that? You can't even tell the depth of it from this camera view, but boy, I tell you, it's pretty freaking deep. It's probably about 300 feet over the fucking cliff. Oh! Get her done, Robbie. Get her done. Get driving over that cliff.
Oh, bro, make back up. All right, here we go.
We're NASCAR champions, but instead of NASCAR, we're diving. Come on, get her done. You didn't make it over the cliff, right? We were hoping you would.
I know, we thought you were
Oh, snap, boy. Oh, snap.
All sacks.
Oh, that's a champion. Look, got it in his chin here. That ain't cool. That ain't cool.
We do it again.
You gonna try to do it again?
Come on, you gotta dive. You gotta dive like you're diving into a swimming pool.
Oh my gosh. Alright, that's enough. That's enough, dirt boy. Okay, that was good stuff. That was good stuff. He went down that damn cliff.
Mountain lion, I can't get out.
Oh, Robbie! Oh, Robbie! Robbie!
I should do this afterwards.
Lay back down. It makes it look deeper. No, it is pretty steep, y'all.
I rock peas on my head.
Get her done, Robbie. Come up here, boy. I don't think you can get up here.
Dude,
I can't. I need help.
What? You got to walk to the woods to the house and come back around.
Oh, crap.
I think you're going to have to. Come on, Robbie. It's a pretty big cliff, y'all. We ain't going to lie. It's a pretty big cliff.
Yeah, but
you might not be able to tell on this camera.
Here. Show them the cliff.
Here, we'll get you a view over here. It's pretty damn deep. See that? Oh, here it comes. Here comes the master of disaster. Yeah. Yeah. He's probably hating his life right now, but he feels cold too, because he's bad. He just
now.
yeah. Chug-a-lug! Chug!